Hey folks, got a 2024 Ford Transit 250. We just changed the engine oil and filter on it. This freaking thing took 12 quarts. This is the non-turbo one. So when you have the turbo one, it's only 6 quarts. Non-turbo is 12 quarts. Yeah, try to find a container that can hold 12 quarts, especially when you're doing it outside of a shop. But anyway, we are going to reset the engine oil life. I'm going to use these buttons right here on the side. I'm going to use the OK and the menu. All right, so watch the dashboard over there. We are going to go into, let's see here, going to hit OK. All right, we're going to go follow that driver assist thing there. All right, we're going to go down. We're going to look for settings. Once you hit settings, we're going to hit menu. Then we're going to use the OK button. We're going to scan down to vehicle maintenance. Hit the OK button. There's the oil life. This is at 65%. He just bought a used, so I guess he just wanted to change the oil. I'm going to hit OK again. It's going to say reset the oil life. Oops. You got to hold it. And hold the button. Oil life reset successful. All right. That's it. I thought you just hit it, but no, you have to hold it to reset it. All right. Then you can use the back button and get out of there. Go all the way back and put this back to the customer where he had the odometer, which is the star. All right. That's it. Simple, easy peasy. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao.